Let me tell you guys a little bit about my hair journey while I do my hair. I'm gonna be using this flat iron. This is the Nano Titanium Baby Bliss Pro flat iron. And I'm gonna be using clip-ins from Luvme. And yeah, so this hair is washed and blow dried. I am also relaxed. I just relaxed my hair. I was natural for almost 2 years. Me and natural hair, listen, I have a whole history with natural hair. I've been doing natural hair since I was 16, on and off. So this is the shortest time that I went natural for a year. But I just decided to relax my hair. I just know how my hair grows, and natural hair, definitely, I can definitely get length with natural hair, but it's a lot of damage on my hair. There's a lot of single strand knots. My hair is 4B type and 4B, 4C. And I definitely get a lot of single strand knots. And there's a lot of breakage going on with my natural hair, so when I relax it, I can manage it more better. I know that sounds crazy, but this is my hair and that works for me. I even kind of brung you guys on my hair journey a little bit, because when I was doing my Fulani braids and stuff like that, I showed you my hair length and all of that stuff. So yeah, my hair definitely grew past this. But I cut it off after the relaxer because it was showing damage, so I trimmed it up to a bob. So now we're gonna put some clip-ins in today. You're gonna need your flat iron. You're gonna need something to clip your hair away. And I'm using Chi for my heat protectant. You know, a little goes a long way with this. I'm basically just going to straighten my hair, which I really don't want to. This is air dried. I think I said that already. I really don't want to straighten my hair. I really just want to clip the clip-ins in and just straighten the top out. But I think these pieces will stick out, so I'm gonna try to just straighten big pieces. I'm not trying to get it bone straight. And then the top part, I'll try to get bone straight. Alright, so this is my hair so far. I got a few areas to work on. This area right here is pretty thin for me. So yeah, but I'm gonna leave this part for last because that's the part I want the straightest. This I just did one pass, and this is what I got with it. So yeah, so now let's do the clip-ins.